Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix recovery your PC needs to be repaired file BCD error code 0xc0000034. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. System partition type is EFI, Windows installed drive letter is D. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr, type bootrec space, /fix boot. If any error use bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type disk part, type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is UEFI or GPT. Type list volume. Select system volume, in our case system volume is 3. Type assign space, letter equal to Q. Type attrib BCD space -H space, -R space, -S. Type ren space, BCD space, BCD28.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild BCD. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colan /Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colan space, /f space, UEFI.
I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.